Hello everyone, this is Shabnam here. Welcome back to my channel, The Counseling Corner. So in today's video, I'm going to speak about New Year resolution. Before that, wish you all a very happy New Year. So when New Year comes, each and every one of us gets so excited and we start framing our New Year resolutions. Either we want to give up some habits, develop some new habits, or want to see the best version of ourselves. But unfortunately, most of us do not succeed in achieving a New Year resolution and give up halfway. So in today's video, based on my experience, I am going to give you a few tips as how to select, how to establish, and how to maintain your New Year resolution and finally succeed in achieving it. So before I could start, a gentle reminder for those who have not subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit the bell icon so that you will be getting timely notifications whenever I'm posting my new videos. Also, don't forget to comment about your New Year resolutions in the comment section. So the first tip is that you have to do some self-study and then in a sheet of paper, note down all those habits which you want to give up and the new habits which you want to develop to make a better version of yourself. For example, for me, I have to avoid procrastination, wake up early in the morning, be consistent in doing exercise, reduce my sugar intake. The second tip is that once you have identified those habits, what you have to do is that you have to prioritize. Select 1, 2 or maximum 3 New Year resolutions, because if you have too many New Year resolutions, then you will end up doing nothing. The third tip is that proper planning should be done, right? How you are going to go about in achieving your resolution, as well as you have to be very specific about your goals. For example, your New Year resolution is to lose weight. So you need to be very specific. Like to lose weight, what are you going to do? Are you going to join gym or yoga classes? What sort of diet you're going to follow, right? And within a month, how much pounds you're going to reduce? So you have to be very specific. So your goal should be very specific, measurable, as well as realistic goals. The fourth tip is that you have to go very slow, don't hurry. See, many a times we must have set a New Year resolution and we'll be very motivated to do it for a week or so and then we give up. For example, if you're a person who wakes up at 8 o'clock in the morning and you have set a resolution to wake up at 5 o'clock. So initially start setting your alarm at 7:30. For some time wake up at 7:30, then at 7, then 6:30, 6, 5:30 and finally you will be able to wake up at 5 o'clock. Fifth tip is don't make the mistake of repeating the same New Year resolutions which you had set earlier and which you have failed. Right? So when you do that, you will again fail and you will get demotivated. Instead, set a new resolution or make some changes in your previous resolution. So the sixth point is something which I've started doing recently. You can make a vision board for yourself. On one side, left hand side, you can just put the pictures or write your current status, maybe your weight, your financial status, your health status. On the other side, right hand side, you can just write or put your goals, like what you desire to achieve or your New Year resolutions. And then you take a printout of this vision board and stick it somewhere where you can see it every day. What I have done is I have put it on my computer screen as well as my mobile screen. So every time I log in to my computer or my mobile when I see this, and this will remind me of my resolutions. Next powerful tip what you can do is that you can start visualizing that you have succeeded in achieving your resolution. For example, you want to lose weight. You can start believing that you've already lost weight. You can start feeling that excitement. Every day start visualizing and seeing yourself the way you want to see, and I'm sure you will be able to achieve your resolution. Eighth is we need to be very patient and never give up. See, it is not possible for us to change our habit overnight, right? It takes time. So we need to be very patient. Sometimes what happens, due to some reason we are not able to pursue our resolution and we give up. For example, your resolution is to do exercise regularly and suddenly you fall ill. For a week or two, you're not able to do exercise. That does not mean you have to give up. Once you're fine, then you can start exercising again. The last and one of the most important point is that you have to have an accountability partner to keep yourself motivated throughout. For me, it is my daughter. So we both have sat, decided, and we have set more or less similar resolutions. So our resolution is to wake up early in the morning at 5 o'clock, go for a walk and do exercise regularly. So both of us set an alarm and we motivate each other. So have a accountability partner. So these are few tips. So try adopting these tips so that you can set a New Year resolution, be consistent and achieve your goals. So hope this information was useful to you. So in case it was useful, please do give me a thumbs up, to share my video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And please do comment about your New Year resolution in the comment section. So see you next time. And once again, wish you all a very happy and a prosperous New Year.